BMW R12G/S phone/GPS mount. The supplied hardware, 2 M5 by 16 millimeter long bolts with washers, 2 M5 by 30 millimeter long bolts plus washers, and 2 spacers. And then we have 4 M8 by 20 millimeter long tapered Allen bolts plus washers and nylock nuts, and 2 M6 by 16 millimeter long bolts and 2 washers. We have brackets here. These are the side brackets, cross brace, and then front brackets. And then we also have a long bar. The tools I'm going to be using for the installation: 3, 4, and 5 millimeter Allen sockets, a ratchet, and a 13 millimeter wrench or spanner. And in order to remove the OEM bolts from the mask, because the mask will have to come off, the front shield will have to come off, you can use a T25 Torx. So first things first, you got to remove the windscreen or the mask, whichever you call it. So you have one bolt here and one bolt down here that you have to remove, and you have one up here and one here. Okay, so this is where the front brackets will mount to. I would also suggest that you pre-assemble the whole bracket system. It's going to be easier to mount it that way. All right, so once it's been pre-assembled, that's how we are looking. So this is the front end of the bracket. This is how it's properly assembled. You can see this little curve. It faces forward. You can see the front brackets are situated like this too. And then the cross brace is situated like that. Now we can start mounting it using the supplied M5 bolts and the 2 spacers. All right, so I'm gonna put this in place. And then you can put the spacer on the back side and 5 by 30 on the outside, push it through. And you can turn this a few times. And then you can repeat the very same steps on the other side. So spacer on the back side, bolt through with the washer. Okay, front, short M5s. And so once everything is in place, you can begin to pull all the bolts nice and snug. We suggest that you pull them gradually as you go around. Turn it a few times here, and then start all over again. And then we also suggest that you go out for a test ride and then double check all those bolts and nuts once again. Also, when you're done with the installation, make sure to put the front windscreen back on. So the windscreen goes back on. And this is our prototype windshield. It is not going to look like this. It's not the final shape. This just was a test sample, but you can see it covers the top end of the bracket nicely. So should you have any more questions, you can reach out to us via email, info@outbackmotortek.com, or you can call toll-free 877-931-3636. Thanks for watching.